Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. And if you are looking for a free website, this tutorial will help you a lot because today I will create a free website with the help of AI, and I will show you the power of AI because it will take less than 2 minutes to create your free website. So let's get started. For this tutorial we will use 10 web software to create our free AI website. Just click on the first link. Here we will create our new account. So click on the account creation. It will take a few seconds. So here you will provide your email address and your name or password. I just quickly set up my account. So just click on the get started for free. It will load in a second. Here you will provide your business purpose. So I will select e-commerce because I will create a website for e-commerce business, and you can select as you want, like digital marketing, and here you will select any one of the option. So it's time to create a new website with AI. Just click on that. Here you can you will provide your business type. So as I told you, I will create e-commerce site. So these are the templates which are free by this software. You can select any of them. So I will go with the first template. Here you will provide your company name or your business name and type some short description for your business. I will just copy paste a short description. Just click on the next. Which services you will want to provide. So I will provide e-commerce and digital marketing, and SEO services. So you will provide your own services that you want to give to the customer. This is optional, so you can leave this. Choose any one of them. So I will choose the second option. So there you go. It will take about 30 seconds to create your website according to your given information for the website. Okay, it's done. It says your AI website has been successfully created. So it will redirect to your website. As you can see here, It's a very beautiful website as per your requirement. You don't need to waste your time to upload templates or other things. Here, remember one thing, that this software provide you only one free website for free. Otherwise, you can see the plans they are providing. So just cancel, and you can see the layout of this website. It's very smooth, and you can also edit these pages, this section. You can see which I was provided the services which are shown here as a professional website. So you can also edit by the click on the manage page, and here you can see the score of your website. Here you can manage your pages, templates, and other things that you also change in WordPress website. So this is very helpful for you guys to start your new business. So this is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoying the video. Please like the video and share to your loved one, and subscribe my channel. I just need your support to grow up. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in next video.